Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Metamask to Bybit step by step. So let's get started. So first off, make sure that you have the Metamask application and also the Bybit application. So first off, you just have to pick a crypto of your choice. So for example, Ethereum. So you just have to click that and just click receive. Once you have seen this, you must copy that address and go to your Bybit application. Now, once you are in your Bybit application, make sure that you go to your assets. Now, once you are in here, you should click the withdraw button. And once you're in here, just pick the crypto of your choice. But mine, I've picked Ethereum, so we just have to pick Ethereum. And once you have clicked Ethereum, you could see the address in here. Now, this is where you paste your address in your MetaMask and just choose the chain type of your choice and just fill up the amount of your choice. So, once that's done, you should click withdraw button, and after that, the transfer of your crypto from MetaMask to Bybit will be successful. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope my video is helpful and see you in the next one.